Hello, welcome back once again. Today we have another beautiful geometry problem. We give you the following circle and we are asked to find the radius of this circle. As you can see, this is the point which shows the center of the circle, right? And we can see from this point here to this center of this circle, this is the radius, as you can see. But the length from here to this place is given as 10. So what do we do? So this is what we're going to do. Now, we can see that this is the radius. Therefore, this remaining point right over here is going to be 10 minus r. As you can see, if you add r and 10 minus r, that will give us r plus 10 minus r. That is going to give us 10, which is the correct length from this point on the arc to this point right over here. Now, let us draw this line from the arc to the center of the circle. As we can see, that line is going to be the radius as well. Now, we can concentrate more on this right triangle right over here. As you can see, the radius r is the hypotenuse, while the length, which is 5, is the opposite side, while 10 minus r is the adjacent side of this right triangle. Now what do? We use the Pythagoras theorem. Now let us take note of the following. When you have a right triangle, let's say this is A, let's say this is B, and let's say this is C. Now according to the Pythagoras theorem, the square of A plus the square of B is equal to the square of C. Now we're going to apply this theorem here. Then we're going to have the following. So we're going to have 5 squared plus 10 minus r, which is the adjacent squared. This is going to be equal to the hypotenuse, which is the radius squared. Now expanding this, we get 25 plus, here we're going to have 100 minus 20r plus r squared. So this is going to be equal to r squared. So we can see what is going on here. We have r squared positive on both sides, so that we both get cancelled, right? Then we are left with 25 plus 100 is giving us 125, and then minus 20r, this is equal to 0. So this is giving us 20r is equal to 125. So from here we divide both sides by the coefficient of r, which is 20, right? So we get 20r divided by 20 is going to be equal to 125 divided by 20. So here 20 get cancelled with 20. Here we have the radius of the circle as 125 divided by 20. If you divide 125 by 5, we get 25. If you divide 20 by 5, we get 4. Therefore, the radius of the circle is equal to 25 over 4, or 6.25. So this right over here is our solution. If you're new to this channel, the Geno say, please do well to support this channel by subscribing. You can also like this video and also share. If I get up to 50 likes on this video, I'm going to make more interesting videos on geometry problems. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.